In today's video, we are going to be dimensioning, adding furniture, arranging layers in AutoCAD. You are going to need 3 layers of dimensioning. Click on the offset tool, then type in 0.7 and offset 3 times. The first layer of dimensioning is going to be the wall bends. The second layer of dimensioning is going to be the openings, which can be the door and the windows. The third layer of dimensioning is going to be the overall dimension. Click on the annotate tab, click on the linear dimension, which is here, and annotate wall bends. So the wall bends here, that's the first one. Then we use continuous dimension to dimension through. Then arrange to 0.6 to 4 in the center. The next thing we'll do is the dimensioning of openings. The first opening, which is the window here. Then click on continuous dimension to continue. The last dimension is going to be the overall dimension, so click on the linear dimension. And drag to the last layer. So you are going to repeat through all the other areas of the building. We are going to do the interior dimension of this project, and I'll just click on the annotate tab, move down to linear dimensions, and click on this wall here, bring it inside. I'm going to look for a section that is going to go through, the dimension is going to go through, so I prefer this. Then I'm going to use continuous dimension, so I'll dimension only the insides. Click here, same here, and finally here. Then I'll delete the wall thickness. I don't need it. 0.15, 0.15, 0.15. For the parlor, I'm going to use this set chair with the TV. Copy. And place. I'm going to delete the parlor that I initially put and allow the one that is by default. Arrange the table a little bit so it doesn't disturb my dimension. So we are going to put in the other furnitures. After putting all the furnitures, we have to adjust our dimensions. So just click on dimensions and adjust them. Adding some hash into the project, click on polyline. Click on the hash command, choose the hash called angle, and place it inside. In GI app, we just do black and white drawings. We prefer our drawings to be black and white. And to be able to do that, we select on all our drawings and right click, move to properties, and look for color. The first thing comes here is color. We are going to choose the color to be white and press enter. That's okay. So now we can look at our drawing in our layout tab. So I come to our layout tab and you can see this is our drawing. So I just have to adjust the drawing to fit the paper space. Feel free to navigate the way you want. Click on model space and adjust the drawing to be perfect as what you want. Okay, so this is our ground floor plan, well positioned on our layout tab, ready for printing. We are going to do the same thing for the first floor plan and place it this way. In the next video, we are going to be doing the elevations and the roof plan. So make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we would like to know what you're thinking about the video in the comment section.